Allure has a new box look. Are the products inside better or worse? Let's check it out together. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me, fun, fashion, reviews, things like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Allure Beauty Box usually comes in a white box with red lettering. This is a white box with red box with white lettering, and it says, "We know beauty best." So when I saw this, I was like, what is this box? I don't know what this box is. And I saw the front and I was like, oh, okay. For over 30 years, Allure editors have tested, researched, and curated the products that truly deliver. Every item in your box is handpicked to bring you the very best, from cult favorites to future icons. Hope you love it as much as we do. Now, this box, you're going to get full-size and deluxe samples. You will get more makeup in here than you would with something like Beauty Fix by Dermstore. So it is a little bit different. And I have been very, very pleased with the box. So I'm hoping that the new look gives us even better things. They have been giving us one choice item every month, so that's exciting. And we do get a little information on everything. Okay, here is your little sneak peek. And the very first thing was your choice item. This is by Half Magic. Now, Half Magic, fun fact, the artist behind this, the makeup artist behind this, was at one point the artist in residence at Ipsy. So I thought, oh, cool. And this is an eyeshadow single. You could choose either Sparkle Puff, Possessed Pearl, or Tickle Spell, and this is a $15 value. These are your three color choices, and I chose Sparkle Puff. Now their little description is also different. Still the same information, it's just put out differently. This is a $15 value, and it's a velvety eyeshadow that's going to deliver a pigmented payoff in a single swipe. It does recommend tapping with your finger. This is made out of like a styrofoamy type material. I'm guessing it's the kind that dissolves in water to make it fully recyclable. Super gorgeous. So the makeup artist behind this, Debbie, is also the head makeup artist for the show Euphoria. Now, I've never seen that show, but that's a little information in there. Okay, next, so I just opened up you'll see I'm wearing the same thing. I don't wear the same thing every day. I just do a lot of unboxings in one day. Beauty Fix by Dermstore, and they had like this big toner from Medicaid. And today in here we have the Medicaid liquid peptides. This is a $68 value. This is paid for the box more than twice. So why we love it, if you've been curious about all the buzz surrounding peptides, Medicaid is a great place to start. The Powerhouse Serum, made with a whopping 10 different variations of the ingredient, along with hydrating hyaluronic acid to smooth fine lines and plump skin, no needles required. And we know the serum goes on after you wash and tone. All right, there we go. Next, by Aether Beauty, is their Comeback Mascara. This is how the wand is going to look right there. This is a $28 value. And it says, if you dread removing your mascara at the end of the day, oh, it must be a tubing mascara, then Aether Beauty formula is for you. This do-it-all mascara lengthens, lifts, and defines lashes with a cocktail of nourishing ingredients: green tea extract, acai oil, Care for lashes without smudging, smearing, or melting, and it can be completely removed with warm water. No excess rubbing, tugging, or mess. Allure Beauty must have been repurchased because I remember they were kind of big in the Ipsy scene for a while, and then the company went out of business. They were selling things for like nothing. And somebody must have come in, bought it, and changed it around. They always had nice products. All right, our next full-size item. So the first one, I don't know if we're going to consider that a full size or it's a single. I don't know. Definitely third full size. And this is by Dr. Bridsey. This is the Barrier Defense Basic Cream. So we've got our serum. Now we've got our moisturizer. This is a $20 value for 20 milliliters. So nice and affordable. This is, I believe, a K-Beauty brand. Okay, so there you go. It says, we tend to notice our skin barrier only when it's unhappy. That's where Dr. Bridsey comes in. This K-Beauty, it is K-Beauty cream, continues coddling ceramides, contains coddling ceramides, calming niacinamide, and hydrating squalane to soothe skin, help lock in moisture before dryness, tightness, and irritation develop. Okay. Then there's a surprise selection. You didn't get to choose. They chose for you of these Teletize flat hair clips. And I got the white one. I love these. I'm wearing one like this right now. And it just so perfectly folds your hair in. So this is exciting. Getting a hair thing that I know I'm going to love. Okay, well, I'm going to have to cut it out, but it holds your hair right in there. Claw clips just like slip out of my hair. So, and then next, another surprise selection. You would have gotten one of two from Commodity, milk or juice. I got the milk. This is in their expressive or their boldest space. And this is a blend of marshmallow and tonka beans. Juice, which I'm actually wearing today because I have both, is a blend of bright fruit forward scent, strawberry and raspberry with a playful streak. Love them both. Juice is probably one of my favorites by this brand, seconded by Ice. And I have them all in expressive space because everybody should smell me, right? All right. I think that's an awesome box. I don't know. You guys tell me. I think it was a pretty awesome box. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. And yeah. I think they hit it out of the park. I don't know. I see videos when people are like, oh, Ipsy's terrible or whatever. I don't know. Ipsy. Allure's terrible. I think they do a great job curating the box. But you guys let me know down below what you think. All right. That's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.